Ever wondered how successful high-tech companies strategize their business development? Dr. Hwa A. Lim, a seasoned expert with a diverse background in the sciences and business administration and an insider's view of Silicon Valley, offers a unique perspective. Dr. Lim emphasizes the importance of understanding the relationship between forms and functions, which are the building blocks of information architecture. He presents this relationship in a 4x4 form-function table where the columns represent the four functions: generation, processing, storage, and transmission, and the rows symbolize the four forms: data, text, sound, and image. According to Dr. Lim, we do four things with data and information: generate, process, store, and disseminate. Generation, as explained by Dr. Lim, involves capturing data that exists in the environment and presenting it in one of the four forms. This can be as simple as using an abacus to capture numbers for a ledger, a typewriter to capture the thoughts of an author for a book, or a camera to capture the image of a landscape for a photograph. In the realm of processing, Dr. Lim explains that our current computer technology started with data processing, later expanded to word processing, and now covers all forms of processing, including audio and image processing. The processing action involves conversion, editing, analysis, computation, and synthesis. Dr. Lim then moves on to storage. This function involves keeping data in one of the forms for later use. He points out that storage in the electronic age is not only about space, but is also interactive. We can retrieve a document and make changes. The final function, transmission, is about sending and retrieving all forms of data from one point to another. While storage transfers information across time, transmission moves it across space. Dr. Lim highlights that modern telecommunications networks not only convey voices and messages, but also add value by combining the other functions with transmission capabilities. To summarize, Dr. Lim illustrates that the functions of generation, processing, storage, and transmission, and the forms of data, text, sound, and image are the cornerstones of information architecture. The computer dominates the first three functions, while telecommunications excel in transmission. Understanding this interplay is key to strategizing business development in high-tech industries.